We're about to dive into some seriously juicy camera rumors. We're talking about Panasonic, specifically the long-awaited, potentially game-changing LX100 Mark III. And let me tell you, if even half of these leaks are true, the camera world is about to get a serious shakeup. We're here to cut through the noise and get to the real deal. And today, we're talking about a camera that could redefine what a premium compact can be. Forget incremental updates, Panasonic seems to be going all in. Now, let's be real. Leaks are leaks. Nothing's confirmed until Panasonic officially pulls back the curtain, but these rumors, they're too good to ignore. We're talking about a camera that could make Sony and Fujifilm sweat. First up, the sensor. We're hearing about a 20 megapixel plus micro four thirds sensor, likely borrowed from their newer lumix cameras. That's a significant jump, folks. But it's not just about megapixels. It's about what Panasonic is doing with that data. They're reportedly redesigning the processing pipeline, and early tests are showing dynamic range that rivals cameras twice its size. Imagine capturing those stunning sunsets with perfect sky detail and shadow information, all in a camera that fits in your pocket. Now let's talk about the lens. The Leica DC Vario Summilux 24-75mm f1.7 2.8 is already legendary, but Panasonic is reportedly improving sharpness and stabilization. They've redesigned the lens to maximize light transmission and reduce size, improving corner sharpness and minimizing chromatic aberration. The real game changer could be the autofocus. The LX100 Mark III may feature a significantly improved DFD system, or potentially a full phase detection autofocus array, addressing previous criticisms and enhancing its ability to capture moving subjects. But we'll get to the caveats later. Now, let's talk about video. 4K at 60 fps? That's a big step up. But what's really exciting is the possibility of vlog support, Panasonic's professional-grade color profile. Imagine capturing broadcast-quality B-roll with a camera that fits in your pocket. There are potential limitations, but the viewfinder is getting a massive upgrade too, with rumors of a 3.68 million dot or higher EVF. Finally, Panasonic is reportedly adding a tilting or fully articulating touchscreen LCD, a crucial upgrade for vloggers and photographers shooting from creative angles. Connectivity is getting a major upgrade with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB-C. The expected battery life is also a big improvement, exceeding 400 shots per charge. Panasonic is reportedly focusing on heat management for extended video recording and redesigning the image processing engine for faster operation and better noise reduction. The most exciting addition? Rumored AI-powered subject detection, which could automatically optimize settings for portraits, landscapes, or action sequences. Release timing? Late 2025 to mid-2026, according to the rumors. That's a long wait. And pricing? Expect somewhere between $1,099 and $1,299. That puts it squarely in competition with entry-level interchangeable lens cameras. So who's this camera for? Experienced photographers, enthusiasts, and content creators. But there are potential limitations. Lens complexity could slow down startup time. Continuous autofocus could struggle with rapid action. 4K 60 fps video could have recording limits. And the larger battery could increase body dimensions. But here's the twist. Panasonic has hinted that the LX100 Mark III might be part of a broader ecosystem, including interconnected imaging tools, smartphone apps, cloud services, and accessories. They're also reportedly developing a new computational photography mode that combines multiple exposures at different focal lengths for extended depth of field control. That's a game changer. So, is the LX100 Mark III going to be a game changer? It certainly has the potential, but we'll have to wait and see. What do you think? Are you excited for the LX100 Mark III? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more camera news and reviews. Stay curious.